Okay, so after installation is finished, then you have to follow the instruction and install MySQL. Once MySQL is installed, what you have to do is on search panel on Windows startup menu, you can write MySQL. As soon as you start writing MySQL, you can see different prompts are going to come up. We are going to work on MySQL 8.0 command line. So you just need to click MySQL command line and you will be prompted with this particular screen. On this screen, you have to just enter the password. Now, while setting up MySQL or installing MySQL, somewhere on the screen, it is going to ask you what is going to be your root user and what will be the root password. So I am going to use root user and root password. The password that I have set while that installation process, I have entered that password. And as soon as I entered root password, I will be routed to this particular screen. And the prompt is open in front of me, right? Here I can type any function or any command to help with the to check with the database. If you want to have any help, then you can write help, and all the help will be open up in front of you. So which area you want any help, you can see from here, and by following the instructions, you can check the help on a specific topic. Alright, so if you want to check the help on a specific topic, you just need to follow the instruction and it will be in front of you. Now let's start with a very first function or very first command that we are going to run on MySQL command line is show databases. Show databases. And now you have to be very careful. After entering any particular command, you have to end it with semicolon. As soon as you enter semicolon, the command will be completed and it is going to show all the available databases in the system. So these are the pre-existing databases which are available. All right, now we are going to work on some more advanced functions in MySQL in the next discussion. Thank you.